story of David and Goliath. Which one is David and which one is Goliath, you ask? The young man standing on the chair, as you can see, is David. David, would you please raise your hand? There he is, yes. He raised his hand. Now this young, debonair-looking fellow with her costume array.
Am I a dog that thou comest to me with staves?
You said don't tell him. He's waiting for you.
Come on, little David, try to get me. Ooh, ah, oh, oh.
Now your turn. Now your turn, Dad. Now your turn.
Oh.
No, I
Kyle, who won that battle?
did.
And who else?
That did. Ooh.
Yeah, but who helped you win the battle?
I didn't because that's just you done.
Oh.
Yeah, but who helped you kill Goliath? Who helped David kill Goliath?
Daddy.
No, who helped him? God, remember?
I can kill it.
Caleb, are you having fun?
Now you're gonna be quiet?
Yeah.
Okay, cut into part 2.
Ooh, is that me? That's parrots.
No, Goliath, I'm over here, and I come to you with the power of the Lord of hosts.
Ooh.
Champion! I'm the champion! Let me see if he did for sure. I'll check this armpit here.